Hey everybody, it's Kevin, and today we're going to take a closer look at the new features in Premiere Pro CC 12.1. Next up are the latest additions to the list of formats, as well as performance enhancements for existing formats. New formats. Support for R3D image processing pipeline IPP2 with source settings. Decode support for the Canon Cinema RAW Light format. Support for Sony RAW X OCN Venice camera. Support for 12-bit DPX files. Format updates. Improved performance for H.264 exports. Improved performance for HEVC exports on Mac. H.264 hardware accelerated decode improvements on WinIntel-based systems. So those are the new features. Thank you so much for watching. Hey guys, we love making these videos and we can't wait to make even more. So if you like this video, please give it the thumbs up, or even better, subscribe.